Hi guys, I'm Mauricio. Welcome to the Tour Innovation at JC Cayer today. Today it's day one. Today, as you can see, we have a bunch of stuff going on. We have here some demo tools that we can talk about. It will show off. Over here, there's a table with free goods. So it depends on the amount that you buy. You can get some free swag, batteries, tools, all you name it. Over here, just our little friend here is our transformer made out of pack-out, super cool. Got our blow-up tool, Milwaukee Fuel, obviously. And then, which we're really excited to introduce, is our new C-Can fuel box with AI. So whenever you come here, if one of us isn't available, you can just pick up the tool and the container will talk for the tool by itself. And we're super excited for you guys to come here and show support and love.